Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a $25 session. I have one ticket of Winner Winner Chicken Dinner, ticket 60, and this is book number 3. One ticket of single, double, triple, ticket 16, number 6, book 6, and 50 or 100. This is $10 ticket. Ticket number 1, book number 5. Okay, and before that, I received my package from our friend Gamblebee Slot and More. Look at this scratch chips coin. It's so cool, so pretty. Thank you so much, Gamblebee and Slots and More. I got 2, 6, 8 of this. Look at this, guys, so cool, so pretty. Yeah, thank you so much. And I have this. Yeah, pretty cool, right? And a sticker and a business card, stickers. Yeah, and 2 pens, Gamblebee Slots and More. Pretty cool. Thank you so much, my friend Gamblebee Slots and More. Yeah, well, if I'm gonna do my live stream, or not live stream, what I mean, live stream, yeah, giveaways. I don't know when, but I'm gonna give some giveaways. Yeah, so pretty. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you, thank you. I'm gonna use this, you know, color yellow for this, and kind of blue, and this one, right? All right, thank you, Gamblebee. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. I love it. Yeah, okay, let's try this. So in here, Winner Winner Chicken Dinner, there's a bonuses here. Win instantly. It's a $50 bonus spot. Okay, and we need to find 5x, and the chicken win all 10 prizes. Oh, 18 prizes, I mean, sorry. And the bonuses here. All right. Crown. Clover. Winning numbers 18, 19, 16, 12, 17. Okay. 11, 3, 33, 28, 16. Oh, we got winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. 16, 32, 25, 22, 15, we got 16, 27, 24, M2Ms, 10, 23, CC Norcal, 7, 1, 29, 4, 13, single match, 16 and 16. Oh, it's a ticket. Jackpot. $5. Alright. Thank you, California. Okay. Let's go with the single, double, triple. Let's use this. Be Kind and More. Gamblebee Slots. Check her channel, guys, and subscribe. It's free. If you haven't subscribed yet, yeah, I'll put her channel on my description. Okay, win up to $1 million. Okay, winning numbers 22, 83, 55, 78, 42, and 32. 59, 87, 46, 38, 92, no, 580, 19, 43, 440, okay, 73, 67, and 12, 92, 64, and 44, 18, 55, oh yes, back-to-back win, 55, right? Am I right? Yeah. All right. 74, 18, 65, 8, my 8 and Abuso, and then 7, 29, 9, 34, 53, 49, 72, 76, 62, 23, 27, 52, 50, 77, 57, 47, 10, 6, 21, 14, 13, 91, 35, 28, 17, 71, 97, 41, we got 42, 51, 30, oh, 32, second match, 25, 98, 33, 89, 82, we got 83, 81, 16. So we got two matches, 55 and 32. $5 and 55, $5. So $10 back here. It's $10 ticket. Back to back win. Yahoo! All right. Okay, let's use this for this. This one is, we need to find the bag here on the fastest spot. It's win automatically. We need to find the 10x and 2x and the word win all 20 prizes. Okay, let's do it. So no bag, clover, and wishbone. Winning numbers 42, 46, 19, 32, 3, and 37. Okay. 58, no. 29, no. 48, no. My 8 and Abuso, 43, 52, 1, 51, 6, 5, 33, Sissy Julia, got 32, 59, 28, 14, 11, 44, 13, 9, 2, we got 3, last 26. No, not a winner. So we get $15. Yahoo! Over half back. We got 10 here and 5 here ticket. We just lost $10. This is $25 session. We got 15. Yahoo! Alright. Thank you, California. And thank you so much, Gamblebee. So much. Thank you, thank you. I love all the things that you send me. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, my friend. Yes. I love it. I love this. Yeah, get TikTok. Follow her on TikTok. Yes. And YouTube. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. We just lost $10. We won 15. Awesome. Yay! Thank you. Excuse me. Good luck also to your ticket. Love you all. Bye.